Question number 1. Under which article of the Constitution does the Governor of State possess the pardoning power? যে সংবিধানৰ কোনটো আৰ্টিকল অনুসৰি প্ৰতিখন ৰাজ্যপালজনক এটা বিশেষ পাৱাৰ দিয়া হৈছে যিটো হৈছে কোনোবা দোষীক শাস্তি ক্ষমা কৰি দিয়াটো সেইটো হৈছে আৰ্টিকল 161 অপশ্যন এ Question number 2. The President of the Constituent Assembly of India was যে ভাৰতবৰ্ষৰ কনষ্টিটুৱেণ্ট এছেম্বলিৰ যিজন প্ৰেচিডেণ্ট তেওঁ কোন আছিল এইটো ডক্টৰ ৰাজেন্দ্ৰ প্ৰসাদ Question number 3. The concept of procedure established by law as incorporated in the Constitution of India is borrowed from option D. Japanese Constitution Question number 4. In which schedule to the Constitution of India is the division of powers between the Union and the states in the terms of Union list and the state list laid down? Option C. 7th schedule. Question number 5. In which case did the Supreme Court hold that the preamble is not a part of Constitution? যে কোনটো কেছৰ হাত ধৰি সৰ্বোচ্চ ন্যায়ালয়ে কৈছিল যে ভাৰতৰ সংবিধানৰ প্ৰস্তাৱনাটো সংবিধানৰ অংশ নহয় ইয়াৰ উত্তৰ হৈছে অপশ্যন এ The Barubari Union Case. Question number 6. Under which article is the right to freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion mentioned? Option B. Article 25. Question number 7. The duties of a chief minister with regard to the furnishing of information to governor are provided in option C. Article 167. Question number 9. Part 20 of the Constitution of India covered by Article 368 mentions the amendments of the Constitution. Option B. Question number 10. Concurrent list, freedom of trade, commerce and joint sitting of two houses of parliament are the provisions mentioned in Indian Constitution. They have been borrowed from option A. Australian Constitution. Question number 11. The right to equal opportunity for all citizens in the matter of public employment has been enshrined in option A. Article 16. Question number 12. The provision of suspension of fundamental rights is borrowed from option A. Weimar Constitution of Germany. Question number 13. The Indian National Congress adopted a resolution to establish a socialistic pattern of society in option A. Abadi season in 1955. The few words which were added in the preamble to the Constitution of India by 42 Constitutional Amendment Act 1976 are the social, secular and integrity. Article 1 describes India that Bharat as option A. Union of States. In order to put a check on terrorist activities in India, Terrorist and Disruptive Activities Prevention Act (TADA) was passed in option A. 1985. Which provision made the Constitution of India is the bedrock of the democratic system in the country? Option B. Fundamental rights. The lengthiest constitution of the world is option A. The Constitution of India. The provision to separate the judiciary from the executive in the public service of the state has been given in option C. Directive Principle of State Policy. The constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly was option B. B.N. Rao. Article 359 authorized the President to suspend the fight or move any court of the enforcement of a fundamental rights during option A. A national emergency. The main duty of the Speaker pro tem of the Lok Sabha is to administer oath to the new members. Option B. The number of high courts in India. Option 3. 25. The Archaeological Survey of India is an attached office of the Department Ministry of option A. Culture. District judges are appointed by the governor in consultation with the high courts. Question number 26. The Union List in 7th schedule contains option A 97 matters items. Who was the first speaker of Lok Sabha? Option A Mavlankar. The name of Laksadiv, Minicoy and Amindivi Island was changed to Laksadiv by an act of parliament in option D 1973. The members of Rajya Sabha are elected by option C elected members of Legislative Assembly. The power to decide an election petition is vested in the option C High Courts. The members of Lok Sabha hold office for a term of option B 5 years. The minimum age to qualify for election to Lok Sabha is option A 25 years. Question number 33. The members of State Commission can be removed by the option C President on a report by the Supreme Court. The President addressed both the Houses of Parliament assembled together option C first session after each general election and first session of the year. The position of a Chief Minister is similar to that of the Prime Minister. Option A. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term option A of 6 years. The office of the President can fall vacant due to resignation, death and removal. Option D, all of the above. The minimum number of members that must be present to hold a meeting of Lok Sabha is 1/10 of the total membership of the houses. The phrase bicameral legislature means option C a legislature consisting of a lower and a upper chamber. Question number 40. The members of Lok Sabha are elected option A directly by the people. Question number 41. The members of parliament can express themselves in the house in option D English, Hindi or mother language. Question number 42. The national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947 and was presented to the nation at the midnight session of Assembly on 14 August 1947 on behalf of option C the women of India. Question number 43. The preamble to our Constitution provided that India is option B the sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. The minimum age required to become a member of Rajya Sabha is option C 30 years. The name of the union given in the Constitution is option C India or Bharat. The Muslim League as a political party was founded in option A 1906. The office of Prime Minister of India is created by the Constitution. Option C. The President can be removed from his office before the expiry of his normal term only on the recommendation of the two houses of the Parliament. Option D. The members of State Public Service Commission are appointed by the option C Governor. How many schedules are in their Constitution of India? Option D 12.